Hi everyone, welcome to the Friday Wrap. I'm Damien from BLACKOUT as we show you the best wrap cars in Australia. Well, I'm standing in front of the killer RS6 Avant, which is wagon in Audi speak. Absolutely awesome car, enough power to take on a Lamborghini and take the kids to school at the same time. I absolutely love them. This one's being fully wrapped in XPEL paint protection film from top to bottom in the gloss film to protect against stone chips and other abrasions. That'll give the client some really good protection there. Then we're also going to be doing some other little cosmetic areas as well, which will be blacking out the badges, blacking out the calipers, so going over that full stealth black look. So it'll be a pretty awesome wagon once we're done with it. We had another Aston Martin Vantage S come in, which we've done some cool blackout areas, as well as the popular gloss carbon fibre mirrors and side skirts there. That's a great little look there on the Aston Martin Vantage S. Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. It wouldn't be a week at BLACKOUT without a C63. This one's gone for the popular blackout badge on all the fronts and the rears, as well as the edition style stripes in a matte charcoal grey. Great way to just make a few little changes there, make it look a little bit more aggressive and up to date. We also are working on a Maserati Gran Turismo, which is a great looking car. Just plain looking silver, so we've put some matte metallic charcoal stripes down the centre and the rear, and with a nice gloss black pinstripe around there to give it some more interest. We've also done the side skirts and the mirrors in the popular gloss carbon fibre wrap, which always looks pretty cool. About the most realistic looking vinyl that you can get compared to the real thing, that is. Thanks for tuning into the Friday Wrap, guys. I'm Damien. Don't forget to tune in next week and we'll show you the best wrap cars in Australia.